Hi! In front of me is Motorola Edge 30 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. First of all, go into Settings. Now scroll down to access Security and Privacy. Then click on Device Lock and click on Screen Lock. After that, tap on the best login method for you: pattern, PIN or password. Over here, you need to create it. Choose Next at the bottom right corner and repeat it in order to confirm it. When you finished, click on Confirm at the bottom right corner. Then apply the best option from the list of available ones to answer the question: how do you want the lock screen to display your notifications? Show all notification content, show sensitive content only when unlocked, or don't show notifications at all. I will go with the last option, so I have to click on it and select Done. So now when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!